Welcome, in front of me is a Realme C15 and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and edit the icons right here by tapping on the square. And you want to add Personal Hotspot. So just simply drag it over like so and go back, and there we go, it's right over here. So from here you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can change or look up the password. By default just set to some kind of completely random password. So let's go to Personalize Hotspot and tap on the password and remove this one. Now the only thing to keep in mind is the password needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and the rest doesn't really matter. Then at the top you also have the name. That is going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that will be visible in the Wi-Fi list. And below that you also have the AP band, and unfortunately we don't really have many options here, and there is only 2.4, which I guess there is no option. And then at the very bottom we have the visible to other devices. Make sure that this is enabled, otherwise you will have to insert things like the name of the Wi-Fi along with the password at the bottom manually, and the password will not also show up in the list of Wi-Fis. So from there, let's tap on save, and you can simply leave it and never come back here. And all you need to do now is simply tap on the toggle. It will enable hotspot, and you can see that it is right now enabled. It will also show you if there is someone connected to it. You can also manage them if you want to. So if you go into settings, you will have right here connected connection management, and you have things like maximum people that can connect, but you can also block people, as you can see from the blacklist right here, and it will normally also tell you how many people are connected at the moment, which right now it's 0. And once you're done with the hotspot, make sure you turn it off, otherwise it will be using a little bit of the battery for no reason. So tap on it, and now it's off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.